Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Figma file history using versioning, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Figma file. Click on the File menu in the upper left corner. Select the Show Version History option. The Version History panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Here, you will see a timeline of all changes made to the file. Each version is labeled with a timestamp, indicating when the changes were saved. Scroll through the version history to find the specific version you want to back up. Click on the desired version to view it. Once you have the correct version open, click the duplicate option in the top menu. This creates a copy of the selected version in your drafts. Open your drafts by clicking on the Drafts section in the left sidebar. Locate the newly duplicated file in your drafts. Rename the duplicated file for better organization. Right-click on the file to access additional options. Select Export to save this file to your computer. Choose your preferred file format for export. Click the Export button to download the file. Now you have successfully backed up your Figma file history using versioning. Consider organizing your backups regularly for easy access. This ensures that you can always revert to previous designs as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.